Greetings, I'm Yñigo, Miguel, and Mendoza of Group 512 St. Thomas. For this presentation, I'm going to talk about the effects of academic stress on the academic performance. Rationale. The study aimed to determine the effects of academic stress on the academic performance of grades 9 and 10 students of SPCB. The main problem. What is the effect of academic stress on the academic performance of grade 9 and 10 students of SPCB? The findings. The computed statistics resulted negative 0.19 and the critical value resulted to 2.26. The t-statistics is less than the critical value. Conclusion. Therefore, academic stress has no effect on the academic performance of grade 9 and 10 students of SPCB. What is the profile of the respondents, students in terms of academic stress and academic performance? Findings. The table shows that the respondents that are under eustress are composed of 42% very satisfactory, 34% satisfactory, 14% outstanding, 10% fairly satisfactory, and 0% did not meet expectations. While the respondents that are under distress are composed of same percentage of 43% very satisfactory and satisfactory, 8% outstanding, 6% fairly satisfactory, and 0% did not meet expectations. The total number of respondents is 162. Conclusion. Most of the respondents that are under eustress are very satisfactory in their academic performance, while most of the respondents that are under distress are equal with very satisfactory and satisfactory. Which academic stress is experienced the most and the least? Findings. The table shows that respondents from grade 9 that are experiencing academic stress are 59% eustress and 41% distress, while respondents from grade 10 that are experiencing academic stress are 76% eustress and 24% distress. Conclusion. Based on the data given, eustress is the most experienced academic stress, while distress is the least experienced academic stress. How are grade 9 and grade 10 students compared in terms of academic stress? Findings. The table shows that grade 9 and 10 students is compared by academic stress that they are experiencing. 43% of the respondents that are experiencing eustress are from grade 9, while 57% are from grade 10. 62% of the respondents that are experiencing distress are from grade 9, and 38% are from grade 10. Conclusion. The grade 9 and grade 10 students is compared by academic stress that they are experiencing, which are eustress and distress. Is there a significant difference on the academic performance of grade 9 and 10 students under eustress and distress? 4.8 is there a significant difference on the academic performance of grade 9 and 10 students under eustress? The null hypothesis says that there is no significant difference on the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under eustress. The alternative says that there is a significant difference on the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under eustress. Findings. The t-value calculated 0.316462. It is less than the critical value 1.9822. Conclusion. Accept the null hypothesis. The null hypothesis says that there is no significant difference on the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under eustress. The statistical tool used is inferential statistics t-test. 4.b. Is there a significant difference on the academic performance of grade 9 and 10 students under distress? The null hypothesis says that there is no significant difference on the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under distress, while the the alternative says that there is a significant difference on the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under distress. Findings. The t-value calculated 0.091979. It is less than the critical value 0.0066. Conclusion. Accept the null hypothesis. The null hypothesis says that there is no significant difference on the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under distress. The statistical tool used is inferential statistics t-test. Is there a significant difference on the academic performance in terms of academic stress? The null hypothesis says that there is no significant difference on the academic performance in terms of academic stress. Well, the alternative says that there is a significant difference on the academic performance in terms of academic stress. Findings. The t-value calculated 0.040801. It is less than the critical value 1.9747. Conclusion. Accept the null hypothesis. The null hypothesis says that there is no significant difference on the academic performance in terms of academic stress. The statistical tool used is inferential statistics t-test. Thank you for listening. This has been Yñigo, Miguel, and Mendoza of Group 5 of Grade 12 St. Thomas.